So many of you have watched the video on how to register a trademark without a lawyer, but have you thought about the benefits of registering with a lawyer? Somebody who's going to walk you through the application process step by step and make sure that they're transferring their knowledge to you. Hey everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you are new here, I promise you will learn more than you knew before you started watching. For those of you that are willing to make an investment in your future because you want to get out of the typical office environment, you want to work from anywhere, maybe you need flexibility because you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a stay-at-home dad, I am providing you with a huge opportunity to be able to better serve a law firm or better serve other clients with the newly gained expertise from this trademark bootcamp / trademark course that I am going to put on for you. But I need your help. Make sure that you secure your spot by scrolling down into the description below. Interested in learning how to file trademarks, respond to office actions, and do trademark paralegal work? The Trademark Training Bootcamp is here and you don't want to miss it. Make sure you scroll down into the description and secure your spot before they're taken.